Hi, my name is Muhammad. On this video we'll show you how to create and set up your Shopify store, and we'll explain you step by step everything you need to know about Shopify and to build a successful Shopify store. As you see guys, it doesn't matter what kind of Shopify store that you want to try to build, if you are a dropshipper or you have a physical businesses. As you see guys, it's very easy. Just follow all these steps, then you can easily create your Shopify store without no problems. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open Shopify dashboard. Then guys, on the top in the search bar, tap shopify.com. Then in the middle of your screen, tap your email address to create your own Shopify store. Then click on start free trial. It gives you 3 days free trial. Then you need to pay $1. Then guys, if you want to answer this question, or you can go down and skip all this question, then guys hit on next. As you see guys, this is your email address that you want to create your Shopify store. Then it will take you a few seconds to build your store, maybe 5 or 6 seconds. It's almost done. As you see guys, then guys, it will take you directly to your dashboard on your Shopify store. As you see guys, it's very easy. Then guys, this is the first step that you need to create your Shopify store. Then guys, this is your dashboard on your Shopify store. Then if you want to add another Shopify account or Shopify store with one email address, as you see guys, go on the top and click on my store. Then you can click on all stores, then you can add another Shopify store. As you see guys, it's very easy. Then on the left and the bottom and right, as you see guys, this is 3 days left in your trial. It's free in 3 days. Then you need to pay $1. Then guys, on the top, select a plan. Then guys, it gives you 4 options to select which plan that you need or that you want to use. Then guys, for me, I usually use this one. Select the basic one. Then guys, you need to add your credit card to pay $1. Then guys, it will give you a free Shopify store. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.